Good morning, everybody. Welcome to day 3 in Turkey. And this is my rest day. I got the stem cell therapy yesterday, and today me and Nick have a bunch of plans to go and tour some things and check the place out, eat some good food. I don't have to go to the clinic at all. I really get to just enjoy the day, so I'm super excited for that. Yesterday was so absolutely insane. Just so much stuff was happening, getting filmed from the Discovery crew, Vera Clinic also filming me the whole time, and just so much hectic awesomeness that I loved. We're getting ready right now, and we're about to go down, eat some breakfast, and then start the day. So come along with me. Yeah, you know, I had to rock the t-shirt today because this is the last day that I'll be able to wear anything but a button-up, because tomorrow when I get the hair transplant, you literally can only wear button-ups for the next 10 days and also not be able to shower normally. You can't shower normally, you have to use a bucket. I'm definitely making my girlfriend help me with that. Didn't have her last year and got her this year though. You know what I mean? 2 over easy eggs, some scrambled eggs, 2 little mini pancakes with the toast for the yolk. It's a good time. It's a great time even. It's time to get ready for the day. Poof! It's all gone. Just like that. I actually did it all in one bite and it tasted great. Just happy to be here. We're gonna go back up to the room, recoup a little bit, and head out for the day on our adventures.
Yo, Chris, what the fuck are you doing right now?
Huh?
The fuck are you doing?
Every morning I listen to music. I'm dead serious. Every single morning I sit down for like 20 minutes and I just listen to music and stare at the lyrics. It gets me going.
What kind of music?
Drake. Everyone kind of has their own thing. It gets me like motivated. It's my own version of getting motivated for the day. You know when you wake up and you're groggy? Like I'm the guy that's 7 a.m. driving to work listening to fucking hardcore like crazy rap. White kid from the suburbs, but gets me going. Everyone's got their thing. Capiche? How we doing? We're here. We just took an Uber. How long was the car ride, by the way? Because I was sleeping.
It was like an hour.
It was an hour long?
The traffic was insane.
I got some extra sleep, though, as I always do every time I'm in a car. But look around. I mean, that's the place here. Running to a mosque right now to check it out. So, very excited. We have a whole day planned. Shout out my boy Nick right here. He made a whole itinerary yesterday. What was I doing when you were doing that?
Sleeping.
I was sleeping. I was sleeping, and he made a whole itinerary. So, what am I not, right? It's beautiful out, too. Sun's out. Vibes are good. Transplant tomorrow. Calm before the storm, everybody. Let's do it. This might be the most beautiful view I've ever seen in my... Is it behind me right now? Can you tell that it's behind me? Unbelievable. I mean, wow. I'm blown away. I'm genuine. This is like... There's very few times in my life where I've been blown away. And I am blown away right now. This is what life's about. This is why we wake up every day. This is awesome. Absolutely love it. A group of girls, like... Most likely local girls, I assume, right? That asked us for to take photos of them, and then we got their numbers. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're both taken because they totally wanted us. Really cool, really beautiful spot. Nick's itinerary so far, 10 out of 10. Let's see where else it takes us. Now we are heading to the Galata Tower, I believe it's called. So that place is awesome. We just bought some water as well. It tastes very good. And we got the best photos I might have ever taken on vacation right there. So go to my Insta, Chris.Mazzoni, if you want to see it. By the time you're seeing this video, it's been posted for a minute. So if you want to see some great flicks taken by yours truly right here, don't worry though, he'll be posting the ones I took of him. It's a mutual benefit relationship here. Our taxi Uber driver was zooming through the streets. That was awesome, honestly. Everybody was beeping at him. I loved it. Let's check out this view though. Right when we hop out, already a beautiful
That's where
view.
we're going next.
Oh, we're going over there next?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or maybe it's all the way over
Look at this
there.
building too.
Oh,
Check this place out. Wow. I mean, and just this little strip is really cool. About to see some more things. We're going to look at this tower. I'll show you guys. Just as I will see it myself. Let's do it. My girlfriend, whenever I travel anywhere, she loves snow globes of all types. I'm so happy I just found one here because the gift I bought her a couple days ago, I liked it so much that I think I want to keep it for me as my souvenir, the gold teapot that I got the other day. So she's going to like this even more though, so I'm going to get this for her. It's not even that expensive, so I'm excited for that. I'll do a caramel.
Oh my God.
Thank you. First things first, that was awesome and the ice cream is very good, but unfortunately, he did scam us. I can't lie. He took my card Charge us 800 TL for that. But how much is that? Like actual?
It's like $20.
I mean, it's like $20. So we just paid $10 a cone each. It's all right, but damn. Very good though. This is a $10 cone right here. So you know what I mean. I did it for the experience. You know what I mean. I did it for the experience. Now we're about to embark on a journey. Let me get a lick here. And we're gonna walk all the way to the Sophia. Is that what it's called? Go inside the Blue Mosque and buy a ticket for that and check out the inside of that. This is outrageous. Look at this terrain we're on right now. You know, I saw TikToks about the terrain here in Istanbul. I did not expect us to be doing the rocky steps. You know what I mean? I love it. It's just a new version of Philly, I guess. This is pretty cool.
New version of Philly?
Yeah. Feels like a Game of Thrones like place almost. Is that disrespectful? I don't think so, right?
I don't know.
I think it's cool.
Never seen it.
It's like antique because think about it. USA has only been around for like a couple hundred years, but everywhere around here has been around for thousands of years. So that's what makes it really cool, man. Anyway, we'll catch up with you guys soon. Is that Kobe? Oh my! Is that Curry? Is this Curry? Yeah, he's number 30. Oh my! Looks just like him.
What's this guy doing?
That's LeBron. That's LeBron. That's the second best player of all time right there. It says leaning on the railings is dangerous. You know what I mean? I'm just kidding. So we're going to the Blue Mosque. We're walking to it. It's either that one or it's that one. I don't know. I'm going to say I think. Am I guessing it's the one on the right? I don't know. What's your guess?
I don't know.
Okay. Alright boys, we're making a quick pit stop for lunch. We went under the famous bridge where they have a bunch of restaurants. Check out the view. And told us that they'll give it to us for 50% off and free bakla, the dessert we tried yesterday, whatever it's called. So we'll see if they hold up their end of the deal. My cameraman Nick lost the footage of the meal, so just imagine it looked like this. I got a nice meaty kebab. It tasted great, melted in my mouth. Real Turkish, real culture, good time. Yeah. I almost just forgot this. Sitting down, I got up, the guy goes, one of the guy working there goes, yo, Scarface. Just to see the Istanbul alive with my own eyes is a very cool thing, and let me tell you something, I'm never gonna forget it, and I'm gonna cherish these videos when I'm gone, and I'll go back and watch them and reminisce. So we are seeing so many things while walking. Look at this fountain. Can I take a sip? Can I take a drink? I'm just kidding, I will not do that. Alright. That is straight out of Game of Thrones. That is straight out of Game of Thrones. Alright, so we're here. The mosque is right there, I believe. Wow. Look at this entrance. What a beautiful place, dude. It's worth the walk. Look at this thing, dude. Wow. Awesome. Absolutely awesome, is it not? Okay, so apparently you can't go in unless you're wearing pants. Unfortunately, we both have shorts on. I didn't even pack pants for this trip. So we can't go in there. Now we're scared that we're not gonna be able to get into the other thing we're trying to go to. But
I think we'll be fine.
I think we'll be good because that's more of just a tourist, like,
Yeah,
you're supposed
it's
to
not
just
like
look.
a religious thing.
Yeah, exactly. Which makes sense. I completely respect it. Go to the next place now. Let's do it. Shout out Huck Dunn. Just met a guy and he told us where to go. About to get tickets right now and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside. Let's do it. Whoa. No. I mean,
There it is.
oh my gosh.
There it is.
Oh my gosh. I've said I'm speechless 8 times in this one video. I'm gonna get my own video here. This is crazy. The face. She's slumping. That's how I was sleeping in the van. Look at that. Are you kidding me? That's super sick. I wonder who that is supposed to be. Super cool. I'm definitely gonna do more research on this place after. You can feel thousands of years of history within these walls. It's such a, I don't know how to explain it. It just feels so surreal. Nerd. Huh?
No.
Did you call me a nerd? Okay, buddy. You just look pretty behind the camera, right? Check that thing out. It's like a piece of like a massage chair that you put your leg into and it massages your calf. I hope people don't take offense to me like making a joke. We keep it lighthearted around here on the Chrishairjourney channel. After all we do is grow. You know, we grow in maturity, we grow those hair follicles. But I'm 5'8", so not too much growing. We're heading out. What a beautiful experience. As we're leaving here, the Discovery Channel people just hit me up and texted me on WhatsApp. They just wanted to wish me good luck on my transplant tomorrow and basically tell me that the whole crew and everyone that's on the TV show thought I was a natural on camera and that I did a really great job. So that helped me. I'll be sure to share the trailer to the TV show when it comes out. I will. I assume it's coming out around next spring. That's what I'm assuming. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. But one last stop for the day before we go back to the hotel. Here we go.
But not the rocks, okay?
Okay, yeah.
Because you know that is unique.
Okay, yeah. So, funny story. We weren't allowed to film, but the same guy that gave us directions that I was just giving a shout out to, chiller by the way, awesome chill guy. We found him again, and he brought us into his shop. I guess he owns like a rug shop, and I guess rugs are very fancied in Turkey, and gave us a lesson on it. But then him and his uncle were really trying to sell us a rug, and we were not trying to buy a rug, and it got kind of awkward. And they brought us like upstairs, and he goes, "Don't worry, I won't kidnap you." And me and Nick were just like, "Ha ha, ha ha." We've made it. It's all types of little markets and stuff. Really cool. I'm done buying stuff for the day, so I don't feel like buying anything right now besides some Turkish McDonald's. That's what I want to try. Made it. We finally made it. Let's try Turkish McDonald's, man. All right, so I got a medium fry, a plain double cheeseburger, and a 6-piece nugget. I want to see the difference. Wow, it honestly looks pretty much the same. Let me get a taste test here. Tastes the same as back home. That tastes different. Wow. Very good though. You know what? The meat tastes like more real. I can't even lie. It tastes more real. Wow. McDonald's in Turkey. How about that? Pretty much the same. It definitely tastes a little different though.
How long did it take?
2 seconds. Yeah, oh yeah, that was crazy. You literally ordered and there it was. I mean, it's fast food, but that's faster than fast food. That was like, hello, we're here. Are in the Uber, heading back to the hotel now. We're done for the day. I just got a text from the clinic as well telling me that they're gonna pick me up at 7:30 a.m. for the transplant. So I'm gonna go back, rest up, take a shower, relax, and enjoy the night. Welcome to Chris Underwear Journey. It feels so good to actually take my pants off, I can't lie. Yeah, now we're just gonna relax. I'm gonna take a shower tonight, and then I'm gonna take a shower in the morning too, because that's my last normal shower for 10 days. We did do a lot of walking today. How many steps was it?
About like 16,000.
16,000 steps. It's a good amount of steps. Usually I'm just playing video games in my small apartment, so that's a good amount of steps for a change. And then tomorrow we're waking up again, that hair transplant. Let's do it! Stay tuned for the long-awaited day 4, which is the day I actually got the hair transplant. See you guys soon.